So alright guys, welcome back to another edifying tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm quickly going to be sharing with you how you can create a Womata app. Of course, we all know what Womata does, and if you don't know what Womata does, Womata is a local shopping app here in Nigeria from China. They are actually from China, and I believe is owned by Sky Cargo, because the way they design their app and the way they partner together in terms of shipping. So that makes me believe or come to conclusion that maybe Womata owns what Sky Cargo, or Sky Cargo owns Womata. So get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua. Here we basically discuss everything that have to do with e-commerce, arbitrage, how you can make money online, and most especially on importation and exportation business. So now, to create an account with these guys is a very straightforward tutorial, and it's a very straightforward process. Okay, so just go to your app store and download Womata. I think it's also on Play Store, and you can also make use of their website to order directly. So this is Womata. You can see here you can install it. So after you install, just click on open here. So you can see this is what their dashboard looks like, and just come to account here. Once you click on account, this is the surface to log in for those of us who already have an account with these guys, right? So what do you want to do to sign up? Just click on this sign up button here to sign up. So it will change their surface for you. This is the sign up process. So just follow me. Within few minutes we are done registering this account. So we are done creating an account. So the email you want to use, make sure that the email is active and it can receive code, right? So I'm just going to use one of my email accounts here at gmail.com. So I'm going to use this. Then another thing you want to do is, before you confirm this email, because they will send code, just make sure you fill in your password, your phone number, right? So I'm going to input my random phone number and my random password here, right? I'm done inputting my password. So what I'll do now is to enter my phone number here, right? So once you are done now, once you already input your password and your phone number, just click on get code. So a code will be sent directly to your email, so you can complete your sign up process. Without you confirming that email, is not going to work. So let's wait for this code to arrive on my email address. So let's just wait. Okay, I think here comes the code. So we have 1685. So you just quickly input the code here, then you scroll down and click on sign up. So their sign up is a very straightforward. So you can see now we are done creating an account. The next thing you want to do is to click on login, right? So I'm going to log in with the email that we just used to do our registration now, right? So at gmail.com, then I will input my password. Okay, after done inputting your password, just click on login. Okay, so it is very straightforward like that. Now we've already gotten an account with these guys, and you can see we have accounts here. This is our profile. So if you want to complete your profile, you can easily come to where we'll have this guy here. Click on this three dotted parallel line, then you can see your profile here. So you can connect your Facebook, connect your Google, connect your Apple, then choose your gender, your birthday, right? So that is for that when you log in. So by default, you will see this default message here. You see it something like this. So if you are having maybe you've placed an order, there is a delay, or you want to do any modification, you can chat Lucas with this number directly, right? Then you can also see this. So this is their customer service number on WhatsApp. So they'll quickly respond to your message. So if you want to place an order, you can just play around with any of these orders, search for your order, buy it, and do anything you want to do. So if you're having any difficulties in terms of the shipping, in terms of buying or anything at all when it comes to e-commerce or importation from China, you can do what to reach out to us with the number displaying on your screen for mentorship and consultation. And if you want the complete training on how to buy on 1688 directly without this app, we're also available for it. So let me quickly show you what the dashboard looks like before I end the tutorial. So now where we have logistics, forwarding, more 1688, if you click on this logistics here, you will see the breakdown of their shipping fee. So this is another thing you want to take note. Their shipping fee, how much they charge per kg. You can see here, this is normal Guangzhou, and we have Hong Kong, we have seal shipping. So let me break it down. This Guangzhou is for normal goods, for those people who are buying normal goods like bag, cloth, shoes, wig, like normal goods, and it takes nothing less than 5 to 15 working days, which is 2 weeks on arrival, and the freight fee is 9.9 USD per kg. Then their clearing fee is 950 naira per kg. So they are very straightforward. Then if you want to, this Hong Kong is for battery goods and sensitive goods like liquid. Maybe you are buying something liquid, or you are buying battery goods. That is when they ship through Hong Kong. It cannot go through Guangzhou. So this Hong Kong is nothing less than 2 weeks. In some cases, if there is any delay, you can get it in 3 weeks time. So it's better you budget 3 weeks should in case there is a delay. So you tell your customer, right? So it is for battery goods. Then this seal shipping is the most cheapest form of shipping. So it takes nothing less than 2 to 3 months to arrive. So you want to make sure that you master all these things offhand before you said you want to buy anything at all. Okay, so moving forward, once you are now done looking at the logistics, then another thing you want to look is forwarding. So you can see here, this is your default warehouse address on Womata. So they will give you your default warehouse address. So if anything, if you want to still buy anything, you can make use of this address directly. It is for you, it is default for you. So you can use it to place another order on any other website, and you will see it on your account here. So if I'm to come to profile, then you will see to pay here. Any order that you want to pay, you will see it under this option here. Then this group, if you want to do group shipping, you can also do it here in form of, how do you do the group shipping? Maybe in my coming videos I will record more videos on it. Then pending, after you make your payment, then you will see it here, pending. It will come here directly. Do you understand? So you will see all the tracking numbers, the details of what you ordered for. Then to be delivered, you will see it here as well. The ones that you've paid for, the ones that you haven't paid for, you will see them here. Then picking, if it is available for pickup after you must have paid, you will see it under here, right? Maybe I will try to place an order on this website, so I'll use it to record all this dashboard so you can see it. However, if you want to recharge, you want to fund your account, you can see here wallet is 0.00. Just click on recharge here. So with this method, you can recharge directly. However, I don't recommend this online recharge. You can just make use of your bank transfer directly. Click on this recharge by bank transfer. So you input the amount. Let's say I want to fund 10,000 naira, then you click on recharge. So it will give you, it will generate, you can see here, continue. So it will generate a online their company, you can see it here. This is their company's account number. They will just charge you 100 naira for service fee. So you transfer it, then they will automatically confirm it for you. That is for the online recharge. So if you have any other issues related to Womata, you can reach out to me on the number displaying on your screen. If you have any questions, you can also drop it under the comment sections. Then your refund, lest I forget, your refund, you will see it here. If you ask for refund, then review, stores followed, address, consignee. This is a long video, and I don't like recording long videos, so it will not going to be bored to you guys, right? So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. If you want us to help you buy, we are available for procurement. We are available for early pay funding, trainings, one-on-one consultation. We do video call. I'll teach you how these things works directly. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will see you in my next tutorial.